Namaskar is a monthly horoscope, July 2021, and all these predictions are again according to your moon sign, or you can take this whole prediction according to your rising sign, your ascendant, for all of you. Cancerian monthly brief forecast, month of July 2021. Cancerian, this is not a very good period as far your partner or associate may let you down. You will be worried on account of failures or negligence of others. You might face a lot of difficulty in your routine. Baseless charges could be framed against you. Don't be involved in any minor disputes or living arguments or conflict. Your relationship with opposite sex may not be very good. As far as possible, unwanted travel should be avoided. Major business decision or expansion of trade should not be done without scrutinizing each and every detail of the project. During this phase of time, long distance travel is likely to take place. Friends and associates will help you. You'll get a lot of opportunities to do better in your business trade. Your ambitions and desire will be fulfilled. Happy news regarding your brother or very close friends will also be there. This period is also quite encouraging as far as your love life is concerned. Overall, all prosperity is also indicated in this period. Try to make the best of all this time. You'll establish friendly relationship with a lot of new people. During this phase of time, you'll be inclined to do a lot of things at the same time. In this process, you won't reach anywhere. Rashness is definitely not going to help you in this particular period. You have to take care of yourself. Family atmosphere will be tense. Risk-taking tendency should be curbed totally. Your enemies may try to damage your reputation. Be cautious in this regard as far as possible, and you might suffer due to stomach problems. Due to Ketu's position 5th house, you must be aware of lack of recognition, lack of clarity, confusion, debts, illusions, health issue linked with lower abdomen. Mercury Rahu in 11th house. Watch your relationship with higher authorities. Beware of cheating, deception, fraud. Beware of fine penalty punishment. Sun position in 12th house. Beware of living conflict with higher authorities. Financial losses, financial conflict, cheating, deception, fraud. And Jupiter position in 8th house. Saturn position in 7th house. You must look after your relationship issues. And you might need a complete monthly horoscope report from my website prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole monthly report. Whole monthly report defines your sun's transit. That will define your legal position, your state authorities' behavior toward you, decision makers' behavior toward you. Mars transit effect for you the whole month define your courage, your family support, your confidence, how you act and reacting towards in a complicated situation. Mercury's behavior for the whole month, your flow of income, your flow of information, your flow of job and career and profession. Venus transit for the whole month, your love life, your comfort level, your image, your fame. Extensive monthly horoscope report defines you what astrological tasks you must perform in the time of need, what precautions you must implement to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must exercise in the whole month to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the monthly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.